In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to add and embed a Google form on your Canva website. Let's start this by creating first your Google form if you don't have one yet. Search for the Google Form website and then you can start creating your form. For this tutorial, let's just use this form right here. Now, edit your form to your liking or adjust it if you want. After finalizing your form, then click on the Send button or Publish button. Next, click on the link icon right here, then you can select whether to shorten the URL or copy it as it is. After copying the link, then let's move to the Canva. For example, we'll have this website right here. Click the Apps button on the left side panel. Next, search Embed using the search bar, then select the first option, the Embed one. Click Open and then paste the web link on the space provided. After that, click Add to Design button. If there's an error, then make another adjustment to your Google form. Go back to Google Form and then open the Settings option. Make changes here, like the limit to one response, and do not collect email addresses. Next, click on the Published button. Click on the Manage button under the Responders. Adjust the general access. You can try to set the editor view to anyone with the link and also for the responder view. Click Done below and then select Save to make the changes for your form. After that, click again the link button above and then copy the responder link. Now, go back to the Canva and then paste the link from your form. That should now be working for you, and adjust the position of the Google form to your website and there you go. You can now publish your Canva website. That's about it.